welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories. Niyazini guys ukuthi mangabe kuyisonto senze update ukuthi yini ongasuyilindele emidlalweni yakho ke oyithandayo. Engazuthi guys imithandazo kaMamkwanyana ke isheshe yaphenduleka. Kuleli viki guys uZethu uyabuya from wherever la kade khona and maybuya decision yakhe ukuthi athathe zonke izinto akade ke eshada ngazo into zezayikade eqokisiwe from ifamily ke yakwaSifiso uyayithatha uyibuyisela kuMamkwanyana uyamtshela ukuthi muthathe owakho because I cannot die for uSifiso uma ngabe ngempela wena ungavumi ukuthi ke sigcine ke shada naye. Ngikhumbula guys ukuthi ke uMamkwanyana gave a blessing to uZethu but wengavi ngempela emvumele. So guys kuleli viki ke sizobuka uSifiso ke egowa into ke engasukumi ke phansi. Bathi ke guys uZethu she's against the culture kaSifiso nje akahambisana nezinto eziningi uSifiso ke akholelwa kuzona. uSifiso kushaya amathambo okwabeka phansi buza abadala ukuthi kahle akazi ukuthi ke what went wrong, of which I think guys he was supposed to do that before approaching uZethu and bebezombonisa ukuthi uZethu akusiyena ke unkosikazi wakhe but ke walandela inhliziyo wagcina ke ngamadlozi akhe ke awathembayo. But ke guys uZethu will choose what her heart desires and inhliziyo kaZethu guys iyifunela nje ifunela ke umuntu wakhe wakudala, uyifunela umuntu wakhe wakudala and ke they will share a kiss and that is the beginning of everything and it will lead to ukuthi ke uSifiso axabane ke noShobane and ila kuzoshona khona ke guys uSifiso because of a relationship kaZethu kanye ke noShobane. So injalo ke shem, injalo Nkosi yami. But ke it's into ebhlungu ukuthi ke uZethu angeke azakwazi ukucelebrate ke i relationship yakhe nomnyeni wakhe because uzoshona because of uZethu and uZethu will be able ukuthi athi move forward ayitholele ke enye ke indoda. But ke guys bekubhlungu kakhulu ke kuMamkwanyana ibona ke indoda yakhe begging another woman to love him because uZethu uyamvezela ngokusobala ke uSifiso ukuthi yazini I don't love you anymore. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.